Let's see the example. Current year quantity is given in this example. Current year price 2018-19 and base year price 2014-15 is given. Now we will calculate GDP at current prices. It is equal to 26,000 and GDP at constant prices. We will multiply output with base year price. It is equal to 17,000. There is a gap between nominal GDP and real GDP, 9,000. But this 9,000 does not increase due to increase in output. It increases only due to increase in price. So it does not show a true picture of economic growth. Now we will discuss how can we convert nominal GDP into real GDP. Real GDP is equal to nominal GDP divided by price index into 100. If nominal GDP is given 1050 rupees, price index is 125, how can we calculate real GDP? We will put the formula and we will calculate it 1050 upon 125 into 100. It is equal to 840. These numericals are very important for exam. Now, what is GDP deflator or price index? You have done in 11th class. GDP deflator refers to ratio between GDP at current prices and GDP at constant prices. It shows change in GDP to change in price level. GDP formula is GDP deflator is equal to GDP at current prices divided by GDP at constant prices into 100. Now, you will see the example. If real GDP is given rupees 440, nominal GDP is 495, how can we calculate GDP deflator? GDP, nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100, 495 divided by 440 into 100. Dear students, this question may be asked in the exam. Can real GDP greater than nominal GDP? Yes. When price level in the base year is greater than price level in the current year. Real GDP is equal to nominal GDP when price level in base year is equal to price level in current year. Or real GDP is less than nominal GDP when price level in base year is less than price level in current year. Now you will see the example. Information is given of an imaginary country. Nominal GDP of 3 years are given, 6.5 in 2014-15, 8.4 in 2015-16 and 9 into 2016-17. GDP deflator is also given for 3 years. Now you will calculate for which year is real GDP and nominal GDP same and why. For this, first you will calculate real GDP for 3 years. Formula we have discussed. Then you will find out in which year nominal and real GDP is same. In the next question, calculate real GDP for the given years. We have discussed in question number 1. Is there any year for which real GDP falls? Then you will calculate, find out the answer. Give your answer on my WhatsApp group. Yes, friends. Now you will calculate nominal GDP. If the real GDP is 660, price index is given 105. So how can you calculate nominal GDP? You will use the formula real GDP into index number divided by 100. You will calculate this numerical. Thank you, students.